So what is up you guys? My name is Nadya. I'm an Indonesian knitter currently living in Germany. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you one of my finished project. It's a sweater called Pochette Sweater by Wool and the Gang. This was gifted to me back in August 2019. I just finished it like 2 months ago or in February, I think. Yeah, it took me almost 6 months to finish the project because I just had my first baby, so knitting and motherhood kind of they don't go together or at least in the first few months. The kit come in the usual Wool and the Gang bag, you know, the black and white paper bag. I got 10 of this wool. It says Wool and the Gang and it's the Billie Jean yarn in dirty denim color. And with this color, it's actually made out of 60% upcycled denim, 40% upcycled cotton. So this yarn is very cool because they are very sustainable. First time when they launched this kit back in, I think it's 2016 or 2017, I don't really remember, but the first time they have this, when this yarn came out, ordered like 10 pieces of this right away, and I made toy out of it. It's knitted toys or soft toys, a doll, so to say. I really don't know what are they called. Is it a toy or a doll or I don't know, but I made this thing and it's that David Bowie inspired. Yeah, whatever. The tension of this of Billie Jean yarn is actually similar with tension of the shiny happy cotton. I have made one of their kit. It's called Pop Life cardigan. I think it's my favorite so far, and I've been using that cardigan for quite a while now. It's just that I washed it, so it shrinks a bit, or it meant to be shrink, I don't know, but I mean it's still wearable. It's just on the hip has just gone up. I like to roll the sleeves like this 2 times. That's how you meant to do it, I think, if you see it on their picture. That's how the model use or wear this sweater. So like, and I like to leave this thing hanging around just to show that it's a handmade. But I don't know, I'm just lazy. Now they come in this shape or in a ball, but before, when they first launched, it was in this shape. Also, I developed this habit of knitting 2 pieces in 1 needle. So for example, with the arms, I knit these 2 pieces together in 1 needle because I know that I don't like to go back again. So this time I'm just knitting 2 pieces at a time. So about the style, this kit is made out of 4 rectangles, 2 for the arms, and then front and back piece. So it will be sewn together with darn needle. The stitch sits vertically. So if you can see, this garter stitch, usually they are horizontal, but now the style is vertical. Couple of weeks now since I last filmed the last video, and I've been wearing this sweater to go out, to go to supermarket or just stroll around the city. And I must say this is very comfortable. You don't feel very warm inside. Of course, when it's summer, maybe you're not gonna wear the jeans. I really like it, and I think that's it from me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. And thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.